Yes, hello guys. We're going to have our analysis on HBAR today. That's Hedera hash graph. We're going to have our analysis on HBAR. All right. From all indications, I think HBAR wants to go down, so we are likely to see lower prices for HBAR. All right. So as you can see, there were stops. Stops were quickly cleared here, and then the market quickly changed GS here. So it was at this point that the market turned bearish. So what do we see here? Right above this high here are stops lying down. And right above this high is another stops lying down at above, right? So when the market got here, there was a retracement and then there was a deep one. The market took out this high, then created almost a double top here, and it retraced to this level. And it quickly went up above with this big green candlestick, taking off these highs and then quickly came down low. So this is the weekly chart. So let's go down to the daily chart for us to appreciate what really happened. Sorry. So let me scroll back for you to see what happened. So as you can see, there were stops obviously lying above here. Retail traders sold at this level. And when the market got here, obviously they sold here again. But the market is designed in such a way to trick retail traders before they actually move into the intended direction. So the market, after moving up here, there was a little retracement. Then quickly, the stops were cleared. And what happened? This is the breaker. When the stops were cleared, the market quickly came down to violate this breaker. Okay, all right. So this was supposed to be an intended order block, but unfortunately the market went straight into it, defiling it. All right, so it was at this point that the market turned bearish. I mean, the GS shifted to being bearish. Yeah. Then what did the market do? They came down, they took out these lows, and then retested the order block as a breaker now. Right. So we have the indication that right that the market has given us clue that it wants to come down. So they came to retest again, and now they are moving down. So why am I saying we like to see lower prices from this level? So any at the moment the market, any movement high becomes a fake pump until the market moves beyond these levels, and then probably are beyond these levels. That is the only time the market will turn bullish. But as for now, the market is still bearish. So why am I saying this? A similar scenario that happened on the weekly transpired on this side too. So how did it happen? Let me go for a brush tool. So this is our brush tool. So as you can see, there are stops here, there are stops here, stops here. See. So what did the market do? It quickly went when it got to this side. There's a big green candle that quickly went up to clear these stops. Right, they came to clear these stops, and then the market quickly dropped down. In this case, this is our breaker. Let me use a rectangle too. So these levels was intended to be our breaker. Sorry, our other block which was violated. Right. Okay. So as you can see, the market, let me take this one, take it deeper here. I have a slow computer, sorry for that. As you can see, when the market dropped, it didn't close below the red box. That was, below that other block, right? It violated it and quickly went up deeper. So any movement higher or any bullish pump was a fake pump. And right now, what is the market doing? It is it has already. This is also an order block which was violated, so it became a breaker here. This part, that small red candle, right? All right. So what happened? You see, the market came down. After coming down, it came to retest that order block as a breaker, right? And you see, it was this order block that led to the taking of these stops. So obviously, if it retests as a breaker, it's definitely going to take some down out some stops below. So this is the reason why I'm saying H bar is likely to go down. And one confirmation is our MA, our moving average. You see, the market is right below moving average. So we have an indication that the market is trading bearish now. At the same time, if you should look at the RSI, you realize this is the threshold, the 50%. The market is right below. So from all indications, uh, H bar wants to come down lower. From one indication, that's what H bar is likely to do. So what are our possible projections for H bar? All right, because there's not enough structure here, I'm going to use our our Fibonacci tool is going to assist us in projecting H bar. Okay, so let me use right on the, okay, all right. So this is our 1.618 level. That is around 0.00632. Yeah. So it's possible that H bar can get to 0.00680, but that is almost close to zero. So this is what I will usually do. Okay, I will divide this the bottom of this low and then our 1.618 level into two. If I should divide, let me use our horizontal line. So this is the middle around this level. Okay, good. So this is where I think H bar is likely to do. Because from all indications, H bar is coming down lower. And right now, it has to clear stops. This is a stop that has to be cleared up the low here. Let me use our brush tool for to mark it. All right, this is a low that needs to be cleared. This is another low that is going to be cleared. So obviously, definitely, I think H bar is likely to go beyond the lows here. The H bar is likely to definitely go below beyond the lows here. And let's go to the daily. I'm sure there will be some kind of double bottom that will need to be cleared as well. Okay, so let me zoom in. What do we see? This is almost like a double bottom here. Okay, So this is the low that retail traders bought. And that is another low here. So you see, the market is retested the breaker, and obviously there's a double bottom here, and there are stops lying down here as well. So from all indication, I think H bar is definitely going lower. Yeah, and my first target for H bar is 0.02162, and then on the extreme, we are likely to see 0.00680 for H bar. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. This is not financial advice, but maybe you can pay attention to it and see how the market plays out. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly do so, and then click on the notification bell. Okay? Alright. Thank you very much for staying. Have a nice evening. Bye bye.